It turns out that with very little effort, with just a little bit of intelligence, we can eliminate 90+% of the synthetic materials in a building with very little effect on the cost of constructing the building. To get from 90 up to 99% gets harder and harder, but we can do a great deal of it very easily. And finally, and this is my own house, sustainable design. Sustainable design, which of course is something that everyone in this room is intimately familiar with, we can describe as design in harmony with nature. And that is the same way that we can describe what Vastu is. And so if they have the same description or definition, how can they be in conflict with each other? And so one of the great delights of we architects in this generation is how to weave energy efficient design into the principles of Vastu. And it's fun, and we always succeed in doing it. And as in the building you are in, we have no difficulty in designing LEED Platinum buildings and working with the Living Building Challenge and designing according to the principles of zero energy usage in buildings. Because Maharishi, in the very first talk I heard him give on the subject 35 years ago, emphasized getting your electricity, getting your energy directly from the sun. I've always had a special fascination for it. It was a kind of wild thing to talk about at that time, but today, of course, we have grid parity. And so, as an exercise, the house that I built for myself is completely off the grid. I get all of my electricity from PV panels, and I get all of my domestic water from rainwater catchment, even though the utilities are right at the curb. And I love it. I think there's an effect.